heavy. Unfortunately, I can't stop buying stuff for my bike, so I got another cheap upgrade. Today I have front fender extender for my GS Adventure. Let's put it on. Alright, this piece goes over here, over the front fender tail. There's a little cutoff here. It just goes here, just like that. But unfortunately, because my skid plate is larger and bigger than the OEM, it's rubbing against the skid plate, the back of the extension. So it's rubbing and it's kind of just like that, as you see. So what I'm gonna do before I install it, you see there's a sign here. I'm gonna make another cutoff here so it doesn't rub there anymore. Let's cut it off first, and I'm gonna install the extender on the fender. I think this should be enough. If it's not, I can cut more because it's very easy to cut because this is a plastic. It's very easy to cut off. So let's try like this. If it's gonna still rubbing on the skid plate. Okay guys, I did the second cutoff on the extension, but this is kind of came out bigger than I was expected. But let's see if it's gonna work. This is how it's gonna stay. Yeah. Now this is fine. It's not rubbing anymore against the skid plate. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the hardware. As you see, I have two little clips. There's a little alien and two screws. This pieces goes underneath over here. Okay, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.